Chapter 4: The Teacher as a School Culture Catalyst. Structure in School: Classical Weberian Bureaucracy. Max Weber, a German scientist, defined bureaucracy as a higher structure, formalized and also impersonal organization. He also instituted the belief that an organization must have a defined hierarchical structure and a clear rule, regulations, and lines of authority which govern it. Hall's organization inventory. Hall's organization inventory is used to measure organizational bureaucracy in school. Formalization of structural. Hoy and Switzerland is stated that bureaucratic organizations have two primary characteristic and formalization, and the second of which is centralization. Formalization is the organization state with written rules or regulation, procedures, and policies of Hoy and Misket 2010. Mitchburg Coordination Mechanism for Structure. Henry Mitchburg in 1992-2009 suggests that organization can be differentiated along three basic dimensions. The key part of organization, that is the part of the organization that play the major role in determining its success and failure. The prime coordinating mechanism, that is a major method that organization use and coordinate in activities. A type and decentralization use, that is extent to which the organization involves subordinate and decision-making process. Using the three basic dimension key part of organization, prime organization adopts and extend to their practices and strategy result in the five structure configuration: simple structure, machine bureaucracy, professional bureaucracy, divisionalized form, and DepEd. DepEd manages structure to carry out its mandate and objectives. The department it organized into two major structure components. The central office maintains the overall administration of basic education as the national level. The field offices are responsible for the regional and local coordination and administration of the departments mandated. Organizational structure based on Republic Act 9155, National Division in the School. Changing school culture. The term school culture generally refers to the belief, perception, relationship, attitudes, and written and unwritten rules that shape and influence every aspect of how school function, but the term also encompasses more concrete issues such as physical and emotional safety of the students. Like the larger social culture, a school culture result from both conscious and unconscious perspective, values, interaction, and practices, and it's heavily shaped by the school, particularly institution in history. Organization climate of the school. We usually talk about organization climate or organization culture. There are 6 school organization climate prescribed by the researcher Sharma on 1978. First, open climate. Second, autonomous climate. Third, controlled climate. Fourth, familiar climate. 5, paternal climate. And 6, the closed climate. Changing the climate of the school. School climate refers to the quality and character of school life. School climate is based on the pattern of students, parents, and school personal experience of school life and reflect norms, goals, values, interpersonal relationship, teaching and learning practices, and organization structure. The sustainable positive school climate fosters youth development and learning necessary for a productive, contributing, and satisfying life in democratic safety. This climate includes norms, values, and expectations to support people feeling socially, emotionally, physically safe. People are engaged and respected. Students, families, and educators work together to develop, live, and contribute to the shared school vision. Educator model and nurture attitudes that emphasize the benefits and satisfaction gained from learning. Each person contributes to the operation of the school and the care of the physical environment.